injection for the pork shoulder picnic that we're going to do to make pulled pork. So let's do a cup of mango juice here, a cup of apple juice, alright, so I'm going to get a bigger container. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of our rub. We're also going to add some vinegar. We're going to add 1/4 cup of vinegar. There's 1. There's 2. Alright, so we're going to start injecting there now. Put this aside. Alright, so that's enough marinade. You're going to apply mustard to the outside of both of them. Mustard is not for seasoning, it's purely for the rub to stick. You will not taste the mustard. None of my kids like mustard, and my wife does not like mustard either, and they can never tell. So I got the barbecue at around 265. I want it to be between 250 to 275 using the iGrill app today. Alright, so it's been a couple hours now. I had to change the smoke twice. This is what pork shoulder is looking like. I did throw 2 chunks of bologna on there just to smoke in. Hopefully they'll be good. Alright guys, so we're done smoking now. Put the grate back on. This is what the meat looks like. Alright guys, so there is the pulled pork. We're about to take it off to wrap them. They're just about done. Alright guys, so we have both of the pork shoulders here. We're going to wrap it like this. I'm going to fold them up. Okay, so the second time we wrap it, so this is up right now. We want that to stay up. So, if I flip it this way, now it's up. We're going to wrap this down, like this. So what that's going to do is, the first layer is going to keep all the juices in, and then the second layer will actually hold the package tight. Alright guys, so this is just butcher's paper. You can get it at your local butcher shop. I'm sure they can cut you a few pieces off. It's not waxed, so there's no wax on it. This will not catch on fire because we're not cooking it right under the heat. It is indirect heating. So we have one burner on over here, and then we're putting this over here, so it won't catch fire. Let's go put that back on the grill. Alright, so it's back on the grill now. We're going to leave this sit now until the temperature gets about 195 to 200. And then we'll take it off, let it rest, and we'll pull the pulled pork. We still have the temperature. We still have the temperature around the 250 degree mark to 275, and that's where we're going to keep it. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like. You can see the juices have soaked this paper. We're going to take these off the grill now and bring them in the house. Off the grill, what I'm going to do is transfer it over to this pan, then I'll unwrap it. It is going to be a little hot. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Alright guys, so now what we're going to do, we're just going to let this sit in here for a bit. Alright guys, so that's the finished product right there.